Welcome to another video. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to run your own TTS model freely so you can stop paying for ElevenLabs or any other service using Kokoro Fast API. First, go to their own repo, Kokoro Fast API. It's open source and you can view it freely. So scroll down, you will see this. So you have two options. Either you run the model on your CPU or your GPU, depending on which is strong. I'm going to choose a GPU. So we copy this command and we go to our terminal and we paste it. Now I already have the Docker image, but if you don't, just pull it and put it on your Docker desktop. So we run the command, we wait for it to start. Alright, and then we will have access to the web UI. Copy this, go to your preferred browser. Now in the web UI we can do a couple of things. First, we can search for the voices and select any voice we want. So I'm going to go with Bella. So we can choose its speed, we can choose the language, it can auto detect, but if you want it to be specific, we can choose English. We can choose the format, MP3, WAV, PCM. And here is where we give the text. Now we have a few options. Either we can write manually or upload a text file. But for now, we're going to choose to write manually. I'm going to write.
Before we continue with this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel as that will help us a lot. Thank you.
Alright, I'm gonna up the speed a bit. And we press generate.
Hello, welcome to Straight to Point, where we give it straight.
It auto plays and you can download. Well, I think we put it back to 1 speed is fine.
Hello, welcome to Straight to Point, where we give it straight.
So yeah, it auto played. We had a preview of what it sounds like. So we can go and download it. Then there we go. We have it downloaded. And here we see it. So yeah, that's how you can really and locally run your own TTS model. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And I'll be seeing you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.